Oh, hey.
Hey! Pick the wrong bitch, wrong queen, yeah. Pick the wrong bitch, wrong.
So today I'm gonna be doing a very trending video. Black girl does Scott Barnes makeup tutorial. So if you guys don't know about it, I kind of did his techniques in some of my other videos. I really want the main focus to be about watching the Scott Barnes video, doing everything step by step, because when I do my makeup, I do take his techniques and I kind of mix it up with my own. He doesn't use any primer. I kind of stopped using primer too. So at the moment right now, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. That's what I use to prep and prime the skin. No additional primer, just that moisturizer. If you don't know, the Charlotte Tilbury is also a primer inside. So I'm just gonna put the video on.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna use all nighter, right?
I'm gonna use Pat McGrath.
You just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm
Wait,
gonna use
yes,
makeup.
I
Like I'm
like
not gonna
that.
pretend like
Just drench me. My skin hurts.
I don't really need
To
it.
fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this
Whoa,
is all
whoa. Give me a second. Did a line. I need to show you guys a lot better. Maybe I could just hold the mirror like this. Yeah.
this question, right? So I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. Sometimes you see really bad nose contour and it looks like they're behind bars. Okay, couple brushes. Let's talk about brushes for a second. If we're gonna talk about Jennifer, it's like a cat blend it out. And just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Couple brushes. Let's talk about brushes for a second. If we're gonna talk about Jennifer, Jennifer calls this a cat paw. What I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out.
I need a new set. I need like a little table right here so I can like plop a mirror so the mirror won't be in the way. Yo, mind you, this is the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Concealer. I didn't dip twice. I only dipped one time. If I dip twice, I'm f***ing delusional. So now he takes a flat brush. I'm gonna use my Sephora 47.
I'm like literally giving you all my secrets here.
Do you hear that, guys?
Lashes. I can't wait to share all this stuff with you.
I know.
Okay, so he blends it upwards. I've been doing that lately with my nose contour and it's been making a huge difference.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatural.
Oh, you named this look? So now he's contouring. He uses a really dark contour. I'm gonna use my Milk Flex Foundation in Cocoa. Like right there. Yeah. Damn, I don't have a brush like... I'll just use like the edge of this one. This is a Sephora 89, but he's using like one of those square contour brushes. And I'm just...
Weird that so many people
Do you have
think about
haters?
me. Oh, sure do.
I know. Like the light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all.
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting.
I feel like I'm up. I need the brush he's using. So now he... Scott Barnes. Oh god. He goes in to contour their nose. He uses a really, really teeny tiny slim brush. Okay, he doesn't bring it all the way down. Damn, I forgot he does this. Alright, I'm gonna contour my lips now. The fuck?
Okay, I'm just...
Okay. This is gonna look crazy. I got big ass lips already.
Oscars.
I don't want to put it all over my
So
body though.
Foundation.
Okay, so after this, he goes in with a foundation that's like your actual color. So I'm gonna go in something that's pretty fitting with me right now is the Anastasia foundation. This is in 440C. So I'm gonna apply that with a Sephora 64 brush. This is a diffuser brush. So he basically merges the foundation. No, he basically merges the contour, the foundation on you. He basically merges the contour and the concealer together to make everything one. And this is the part where everyone is just like, whoever tries this is the part that everyone is just like, wow. Everyone is just amazed with this part. And the first time I tried this, I was amazed. I'm like, oh my god. And I did my make. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm the type of person that takes a really long time to do my makeup, and this techniques just make everything a whole lot faster. Damn, the contour he did was really, really low compared to mine.
Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently. Spray tan, you can always use body blend.
Oh, tell me more.
I'm just gonna like touch up a little bit. Yep, there we go. Because the shape of the makeup is not looking like, the placement of everything is not looking like how it does. But now that I applied this little bit of highlight, because he really wants the cheekbones to stand out, and the contour, he wants it to be very low because he doesn't want a shadow of contour hiding your cheekbones. It's like getting a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in 11.75. Yeah, and I'm just gonna diffuse that a little bit. I'm just not used to this look, so. And the way he does it, it is the type of makeup, it is very staged, very, very staged makeup. The next step is cream blush. I'm using my NARS Maui. I'm applying that with a Sephora 99. Just put this on the cheek. Let me go upwards because he likes to bring everything upwards. So he goes back in with an even lighter concealer. I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear in light to warm. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender because I don't really like it to be super heavy under my eyes. So I'm just gonna focus, he just focused it right here. Now he takes powder. Wait, no. He takes, damn, I don't have another stippling brush. I'll just use this one. This is my IT Cosmetics Skin Perfecting Brush. He just goes over every single thing just to like merge everything together. Even the titties. Now powder that he uses, yo, at this time I really wish I had the pomegranate powder because that shit is fire. For now I'm gonna use my Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. I love this powder, it's so pretty. How did he apply it?
Translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. And what that does is cancels out any kind of like bluey purple.
So what powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. Yeah. Do you know Glow Getter? Private Society?
Oh, they actually had sent me some stuff, and they're like an indie brand. With
Oh, wait. He only sets under the eyes and in the T-zone area. He doesn't set anywhere else with that translucent powder that he used. Ow. Yo, it's so crazy the way, yo, his techniques, like the flick of the wrist is out of control. What What the f? It's only been 6 minutes. Why is this shit overheating already? Now he uses a highlight. So I'm gonna highlight now with my NARS Illuminating Loose Powder. Sorry, I'm f***ing high. My Becca Champagne Pop. This brush for highlight, it's really nice. So he did highlight and then he does powder blush after. I think I'm gonna use this one today. And if I'm not feeling the purple too much, I'm gonna mix in this one. This is a Red Vino Milani blush. So I'm gonna try the Fenty first. This is in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Okay, so yeah, I am getting a little bit of the purpley vibe, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that Red Vino from Milani. And then he does bronzer last, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Mahogany bronzer. I'm gonna use this same Sephora 50 brush, but I'm just gonna wipe it down on a tissue to get rid of the highlighter. Just like a line. You brought it up. Oh wow, this is way better. Ooh, yeah. This is so much nicer. I never tried doing it this way. No, I did try before, but not exactly like this. I tried highlighter first, bronzer second, and then I did blush last. Okay. I'm gonna do setting spray because I feel like I don't need anything else. This is my Versali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Alright, you guys, so this is the entire face done with the eyes, lashes, and the lips. I filmed a separate video showing you how I achieved the eyes and the lashes and the lipstick. So if you guys want to see how to get this whole completed look, just stay tuned. I will be uploading that video next. So yeah, this is the final look. Looking very flawless, very natural, like Scott Barnes says. I'm obsessed with this look. I feel so beautiful. If you're not subscribed already, please do give me a big thumbs up and leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.
I said, bitch, I'm too smooth. I'm not in the mood.